So it's, what is it, Tuesday? Monday? Monday. And we're off to Ping? No. Wait. What's that place called?
Food Republic?
Food Republic. With my Asia. To get Gui Tutu for Jeff. And then we're head off to lunch with somebody I don't know, but I should know. Okay, change of plans. We're going to Takashimaya now because it has Gui Tutu also.
There's definitely is not.
There's Gui Tutu here. Too bad there's not like tempo vision because it's like 50 degrees cooler in here than outside.
This is why Americans are so fat, okay? This is the size of the Singaporean donuts. This is my hand for scale. See? This is the size of American donuts. There's no Gui Tutu in Takashimaya. I win.
No, but we're gonna find it one day, and she's
where?
Wrong.
Hidden in some closet?
Yeah. Okay, so
this is what I wanted for breakfast, actually.
That's butter.
She doesn't want her to take a picture.
She doesn't want us to take a picture, but that's okay because we already did. So too bad.
Whoa, hello. We're eating at Prima Taste, which is a restaurant that's really good. We buy the spice packets from Prima Taste. Here's the menu. Yeah, it's not a whole lot, but it's all really good pretty much. This is what Wesley gets. This is laksa.
So this is laksa. That's like jezza, but that's mine.
Our bowls have reversed this time.
Yeah.
Do something good so I can videotape you.
Hey Jordy, I found a Subway in Singapore. This is the only one I've ever seen. He wanted me to bring one back for you, but it would probably be moldy and nasty.